Tesla mod. This is the motorcycle inspection machine. There are 3 electric boards here. Let's measure it. Turn the appearance to the open position and see if the alarm line magnet has been cut off. This road is closed, and the road in the middle is also closed halfway. So there is a direct connection inside, which means there is no problem. It means that the fixing plates of these 2 routes are burned out. We need to disassemble and check. After dismantling this circuit board, we found that there is a finishing diode that has blocked the pass-through. This diode also blocked the pass-through. The normal value is 0.3 volts, so we need to replace all 2 complete diodes. Subtitle: Volunteer Yang Qian. After removing the ding road board in the middle, I discovered that an eye-tube here has been turned to the front side and is straight through, and the reverse side is also straight through. This double value is infinite, so we need to replace this. The circuit board on this path can be repaired by taking care of it. If the fuse is broken, the secondary tube can be replaced and the circuit board of the charger can be restored. The charger has been repaired. Put it back in and try again. The charger is installed. Plug it in and try it out. It can charge normally.